Cracked and uneven concrete is dangerous, unsightly, and can affect the value of your home. Do you know the underlying problems? There's a lot going on under your sidewalks, steps, driveway, and other concrete surfaces. From soil shifting causing settling, to rain and flooding creating washouts, to just plain time chipping away at their integrity. Can you spot the signs of trouble? Cracked concrete due to poorly compacted soil. Sunken steps or slabs caused by empty spaces due to dry soil shrinkage. Uneven floors and concrete surfaces created by flooding that weakens or even washes away the soil. To know the solution, you need to understand the cause. TerraFirma has proven patented technology and products to provide solutions. Strong but light injection foam lifts and levels concrete, fills sinkholes and voids, and strengthens and stabilizes loose soil. You'll see the difference, and your home will reflect the value. If you find any of the signs that your concrete surfaces need attention, contact the Pacific Northwest's experts, TerraFirma Foundation Systems. Call our toll-free number or go online for a free quote. Trusted by thousands of Northwest homeowners to keep their homes safe, dry, and level, TerraFirma can help you too.